So the question is, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, evaluate cos A and tan A. So first let me take a right angle triangle. So if sin A is given, it means A is an acute angle. So suppose this right angle triangle is right angled at point B. So sin A is equal to 3 by 4. We know that sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse. And for angle A in this triangle, it will be BC upon AC, because for angle A perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So sin A will be BC upon AC, and it is given as 3 by 4. It means BC upon AC is equal to 3 by 4. So this implies BC can be taken as 3K and AC is equal to 4K. If we take BC as 3K and AC as 4K, then BC upon AC will be 3 by 4 only. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of the two sides. So we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We have BC and AC when we have to find AB. So AC is 4K. So it will be 4K square is equal to AB square. This we have to find, plus BC square. BC is 3K. So it is 3K whole square. So this implies AB square is equal to 4K square is 16K square. 3K square comes to LHS, so it will be 9K square. So AB square is 16K square minus 9K square means 7K square. So if AB square is 7K square, this implies AB is equal to square root of 7K. We will not write plus minus root 7K because length can never be negative. So we have AB is equal to root 7K, means we have values of AB, BC and AC for this triangle. Now we have to evaluate cos A and tan A. So we know that cos is base by hypotenuse, and for angle A, base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So cos A will be AB upon AC, and AB is square root of 7K. Square root of 7K upon AC. AC is 4K. So K and K get cancelled. It will be square root of 7 by 4. Now tan A. We know tan is perpendicular upon base, and for angle A, perpendicular is BC. The side opposite to angle is perpendicular and base is AB. So BC is 3K upon AB. AB is square root of 7K. K and K get cancelled. So it will be 3 by root 7. Hence, cos A is equal to square root of 7 by 4, and tan A is equal to three by root 7. So this is the final answer.